Makiria ma ateng'eri 300 nio meyandikithitie kunyita itemi mahenya-ini ma thabari ndaya maria matanyitwo kuhaneka kiumia twerekeire kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Riri ni rita ria mbere ria mahenya maya ma gucagura timu ya bururi marahanekira nja wa kaunti ya Nairobi. Atabania Athletics Kenya makiuga ati ni njira njega ya gwetha iheo icagi-ini.
We in athletics, we are democratic. We are democratic and we would like to give a chance to everybody in Kenya or every county to host this event. But of course, that does not mean that we cannot come back here. We'll still come back.
Governor wa Uasin Gishu Jackson Madago nake augite ino ni njira njega ya mwanya ya kwendia thaka wa kaunti ino.
Tutakuwa na cultural troops from Samburu County, we shall have a cultural troop from West Pokot, we shall have a cultural troop from Elgeyo Marakwet. Hata sisi hapa mahali sisi ni mchanganyiko wholesale, we shall have a cultural group that exhibits all the cultures available in Uasin Gishu County.
Mahenya maya magakorwo mari ma gucagura timu iria ikarugamirira bururi thiini wa mahenya ma thi maria magatabanirio Denmark mweri wa gatatu.
We want to select a very strong team, as you are aware that last time when we were in Kampala in 2017 for the World Cross Country, Kenya won the overall title, and therefore we are the holders of the overall title in the world.
Not bad. Kogi na kuo fegi ya KCB ni rekereirie kimanjika gia ciringi milioni 2 iria ikugayanio thiini wa icunje 4 cia tournament ya mbere ya Karen Masters iria itanyitwo gutafanio mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu. Mbĩtĩka ici ikambĩrĩria mwena wa Sigona muthia wa kiumia gĩkĩ kĩngĩ kuria amateurs o ũndũ ũmwe na pros matanyitwo kunyita itemi. Mũhotani thiini wa Oikereka arikoragwo akiinukia ciringi 500,000.